Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to enable the multiple currencies feature in NetSuite. This feature allows you to create transactions with customers and vendors in currencies other than your company's base currency. It supports transactions with customers and vendors in different currencies and relies on accounting periods to post open balance re-evaluation at the end of each month. If you use calendar months instead of accounting periods, enable the accounting periods feature for effective use. So you go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. So now you can see I'm on the Company subtab, and where I need to go is Multiple Currencies. And this is the feature. So you see for me it's already activated and it's grayed out. I cannot deactivate it now. Why I cannot deactivate it is because if I click on it, it will give you the explanation. You cannot turn off multiple currencies after you save a transaction, and because in that sandbox environment I've already enabled it and created transactions, I cannot turn it off now. So it's something to really do at the beginning of your setup in NetSuite. And then obviously you can decide if you want to have the currency exchange rate integration, which I would highly recommend for you to use. Next thing, we need to enable your company's base currency. And before I show you, please like this video. I will go to List, Accounting, Currencies. So here you can see this one is a base currency. In NetSuite One World, each subsidiary must also have a base currency. Again, make any changes to the base currency before performing other actions in NetSuite. You cannot change the base currency after a record with a currency amount or link is saved. That's it. You've successfully enabled the multiple currencies feature in NetSuite. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.